Hi, my name is Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get help in training within Tenant Cloud. Tenant Cloud provides unlimited online support through our Help Center and online service tickets. To get to the Help Center, click the orange Need Help button from the bottom left corner. Next, click the Visit Help Center button. A new window will automatically open. Here, you will see that there are sections for specific users. Within each user section, there will be special categories designated to those users. You can also search for specific topics by typing in the search menu. One-word search words usually work best here. If you need to submit a service ticket for a question you weren't able to find an answer to, go back to your Yuzu window and click the green Submit a Ticket button. Fill out the required information and be as detailed as you can in the description section so one of our customer representatives can best assist you. Sometimes it's easier to explain your question with a picture, so Tenant Cloud has made it easy to attach an image within the description. And that's how easy it is to get help in training within Tenant Cloud.